Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clone Hero on your Steam Deck. First, you'll need to switch your Steam Deck into desktop mode. This is easily done through the Steam button menu under the Power options. Once in desktop mode, open your web browser and navigate to the official Clone Hero website. Download the Linux version of the game, as Steam Deck runs on a Linux-based system. After downloading, extract the game files to a folder of your choice, perhaps in your downloads or a dedicated games folder. Now that Clone Hero is on your device, let's get it into your Steam library. In desktop mode, right-click the Clone Hero executable and select Add to Steam. This allows you to launch it directly from gaming mode, which is recommended for better stability and performance, especially during longer play sessions. Once launched, you'll want to create a player profile. This profile will save your settings, scores, and track your progress as you rock out to your favorite tunes. With the game ready, it's time to connect your guitar controller. Most wired USB guitars are compatible, and wireless ones may work with appropriate adapters. Once connected, open Clone Hero and navigate to the control mapper in the settings. Here, you'll assign each fret button, the strum bar, and other essential controls like start and select. Don't forget to calibrate any analog axes, such as the whammy bar or tilt sensor, to ensure precise input during gameplay. One of the best features of Clone Hero is the vast library of custom songs available. You can find thousands of fan-made charts on various community websites. After downloading, make sure to extract each song pack into its own separate folder. Then, move these individual song folders into the songs directory located within your Clone Hero installation. Finally, open the game, go to the settings, and select the Scan Songs option to update your library. You're now ready to enjoy countless hours of rhythm gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.